Telegram video not playing, fix easily. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can solve if you're not being able to play videos on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're not being able to play videos on Telegram, it's actually quite simple to solve it. So first of all, just long press the Telegram app icon, then tap the I button to come to the app info page if you're using Android. Now from storage, you simply want to select storage and select clear cache files. Then tap on clear data and also clear the cache from within the Telegram app right over here, right? Just make sure that your internet connection is also working just fine. Then you can open up your Play Store and then check if the Telegram app has an update. Now once again open up Telegram and just go to any certain group or whatever else it is. Then if there's a certain photo or video that you will be able to find here, you should simply be able to select them and then you should be able to play them without any issues. If you cannot play them, no worries. You can just tap the three dots option and download them to your device. Once you download them to your device or your gallery, you can simply open them from your gallery and then you can simply start using and playing those videos. This way you will be able to solve if the Telegram video is not playing. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.